Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like manual building design, STAT Pro, ETAP, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Strava online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contain 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So let's start our video, which is related to complete prices which I am providing for the civil engineering courses in Civil Engineering Strava application app. And first of all, happy 78th Independence Day to all my students, friends and families. So let's start our video. So I was updated a course which is related to 3-in-1 course in our application, which is the combination of 3 courses like STAT Pro, ETAPS as well as the SAP course. Okay, so the course is under offer now with the 80% discount. So I was provided already the discount which is in between the 13th of this month to 16th of this month. This is already a 15th of August. So the offers which is related to the complete STAT Pro software, complete ETAP software as well as the SAP 2000 software, as well as the combo pack which is the combination of STAT as well as the ETAP software, again in the same process SAP 2000 software, and combination of 3-in-1 courses is expiring on tomorrow. So most of the people are subscribed to this particular courses, and only few slots are available in this particular courses. So if you want to increase your skills regarding the structural engineering and civil engineering, please utilize this offer. So why? Because after 16th of this month the course price will be increased for this particular individual courses as well as the combo pack courses. Okay, so for the complete STAT Pro software, actual cost of the course is 6,000 rupees, but for all students I was provided 50% of the discount. In addition to that particular 50%, I am giving additional 30% discount. So the complete course will be comes under your 1499 rupees for this particular STAT Pro software. In the same process, for the ETAP software also 6,000 rupees is the course price and 50% is all student discount. So additional 30% discount I was provided in this particular course in between this 13th of this month to 16th of this month. Okay, so again in the same process for the SAP also is having 80% of the discount, and combo pack which is the combination of both STAT as well as the ETAP software is also having discount now, which is available in our application. You can check that combo pack. And again I was recently launched 3-in-1 combo pack which is the combination of STAT, ETAPS as well as the SAP course, so which is also comes under discount now. Actual price for this particular course is 18,000 rupees. Based on the number of requests from the students, I am providing this particular course is only for 3,499 rupees. For complete STAT Pro software course, so the course price is now in between 13th to 16th of this month is 1499 rupees. For the ETAP software is also having 1499 rupees, and for the SAP 2000 software is also having 1499 rupees. For the combo pack which is the combination of STAT as well as the ETAP software is having 2499 rupees, and for the 3-in-1 course which is having 3499 rupees. For the individual courses which is related to STAT, ETAPS as well as the SAP, the validity for this particular course is 6 months, and for the combo pack as well as the 3-in-1 pack, the validity is 1 year. This is the most advantage for the people those who are taken 2-in-1 pack as well as the 3-in-1 pack. Okay, so my sincere suggestion to the students those who are purchased my courses, at least spend 2 hours per day. Why? Because it will necessary to spend at least 1 or 2 hours per day in order to increase your skills. Firstly, cover all the videos which I was provided in the particular course. For each and every course I was provided at least 28 to 32 modules. In that particular modules I was explained complete explanation regarding that particular examples, and I was taken some assumptions. So I was already provided PDFs which is available in that particular individual folder. You can check that PDFs also. So take the reference from that particular PDF and you can see the complete concepts of that particular section, and you can assume your based on your assumed base data. You can do your model based on your assumed projects. Okay, so that it will helps to increase your skills regarding that particular course and how to utilize that particular course. So this is the process of doing the complete learning process of STAT Pro, ETABS as well as the SAP course. Okay, so this offer will be ends on 16th of this month. So after 16th of this month, the course price will be of 3,000 rupees for the individual courses, and course price will be of 5,000 rupees for the 2-in-1 course and 6,500 rupees for the 3-in-1 pack. If you have any questions regarding this particular course, so my mobile number is available in the below description of this video, or else I will provide you my mobile number on the screen also. You can check my mobile number so that you can once text me to my WhatsApp number, so that I will give you the replies for that WhatsApp number. So please utilize this offer, and only few slots are available in between this 15th as well as the 16th of this month. So please utilize this offer and try to increase your skills by using these courses. So you can learn complete knowledge regarding the structural designing analysis by using these particular softwares. These are most essential softwares. So let's celebrate this Independence Day by investing on your future for better tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding this particular courses, please once ping me to my WhatsApp number, which is available on the screen. So I will provide you my WhatsApp number, which is available on the screen. So please text to my WhatsApp so that I will try to give the replies on your queries. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.